What's up, everybody? Down South Don. So, back at you with another video. It is Friday, man. So, with that being said, got a new product, as you can see, sitting right here. This is the Infinity Kappa Perfect. This is the 900X version, which is made for Harleys. So, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So, this is a full kit for your saddlebags, year 14 and up. 14 and up. Road King, Street Glide, Road Glide. This is a great system, something new to the market. A lot of people probably haven't seen it or know anything about it. It does come with the grills, the cutout kit. Basically, you add this baby to your motorcycle, and they do have a front end kit for your front speaker grills. I think it's come with the grills as well as the speakers, and it's a great system. So I'm going to give you guys a quick review. Actually, a quick sneak peek at this. And once again, there we go. Kappa, perfect, 900X. And one thing I learned about Infinity, you don't have to have a ton of watts to have their clarity, because these are great. They're very light, ultra lightweight. And let's see. This also comes with quite a bit. Let's see. Just a small sample of some of the things that comes in the package. So it actually comes with the cups, the mounts, the lids, and the speakers. Not the lids, but the grills and the speakers. And main thing that you definitely want, just like with the Rockford Fosgate, that comes with that little bracket so you can actually install them and hold the speakers. So definitely a better alternative for one. I think these definitely go hand in hand with the Rockford Fosgate. And also, they're waterproof. They're marine grade. Let's see. If I can see. This light is actually blocking my view. But anyway, these are IPX5. And just do your research. I don't know if you can see that without that light ring in the way. Yeah, doesn't go well with the chrome writing on the box. Anyway, just want to give you guys a quick sneak peek on what these babies look like. Now, I'm not going to go deep into this box and actually open up every bit and piece. And I want some of you guys to actually have that opportunity to do it yourself. Guess what? Because I'm giving this kit away. Yes, I'm giving it away. Wow, these things are extremely light. And I think this, as far as like the new speakers with the neodymium or whatever they have, I don't think I'm going to open this. I'm going to actually leave it for the person that actually wins this. Yeah, there we go. Carbon fiber. Nice tweeter. 6x9. And it's extremely light. I don't know if you can see it. Light is extremely bright, but I need it in order to film this video. Anyway, so like I said, giving this kit away. How, you ask? Here we go. So make sure you guys enter to win. Go purchase your Down South Don keychain. Now, this keychain is your enter to win. There's only 50 entries, so I'm going to make it easy for you guys to win this. It's not 200, 300 people trying to win this. 50 people. One of you guys will win this, and as soon as we reach that 50, I'll be giving this away to one of you guys, mail it out, ship it for free, and hey, this allows me also to give away more product like this. And I hope that you guys enjoy this, and be sure to give me a review and let me know what you think about this product once you install it and get it on your motorcycle. Do a review on it yourself, but let me know how it goes and your setup. So I also have access to some of these that's for the front of your motorcycle, the 6.5s, and the upgrade kit was along with the grills and whatnot. So here's your chance to win. I'm sourcing audio, whatever I can find, but we're going to continue to do different giveaways, and that way you guys can actually be able to build your motorcycle up on the cheap. So one of you guys is gonna win this. Hey, this is what we're doing right now. Tell me what you think, and I'm gonna close this up. So the guy that does win this kit will be able to enjoy it, and get this out to you as soon as possible. And let me know what you guys want to see given away on the next giveaway. This is the first. We're gonna try this, see how this goes. Once again, Kappa, perfect. This is made by Infinity, Harman Kardon, and these are nice speakers. So good luck to you guys. And as soon as we reach that 50, it will show sold out. The rules are you can only buy two entries to win, and that's it. I don't want it to get saturated, to the point to where people trying to buy the entire, amount or whichever. 2 entries to win. That's it. That's the rules. And once we reach 50, that's it. And we're going to go on to a new product. Tell me what you guys think about this, and let's see how this works out. I was kind of given this idea by one of my subscribers, and I appreciate you. So let's see how this works out. And don't forget, link in the description on where to get your Down South Don keychain for the enter to win the Kappa Perfect made by Infinity. And we're going to continue this and go on to the next giveaway after this. Maybe I'll do the front set. And I also have some special stuff coming up that you guys are not going to want to miss. I got a huge giveaway coming up. But let's see how this works out first. Down South Don, I'm out, man.